Okay, so in past 2 months, I have been working on agendas, basically integrating agendas to events in mobile. And while tackling that, basically I face this problem like currently, like this is the new changes. But before that, it was only the one screen without the tab bar, and it was showing the info. So, firstly, I started integrating agendas by making the new section in info bar, but that was becoming hectic because I followed the same approach for the volunteers, integrating volunteers in the events. So I thought like for every new functionality like agendas, and now earlier I implemented volunteers. This whole page, info page, was getting messy. So I thought creating the like I followed the website approach and creating new sections for every info or for every event we have. So here I also I close that PR for volunteers because I'm gonna now implement that same thing for the volunteers to create volunteer section and then show the whole data for that event for volunteers. So currently I'm working on agendas. I have currently only applied create functionality where you can create a new agenda item. Wait a minute. Multiple test categories can be selected for the single agenda item, and we can create. Okay, so it's throwing GraphQL error, but yeah, the agenda item will be added. Right now, it's throwing a GraphQL error, so like I need to work on that. But at this much UI part for creating the agenda item is being done.
Okay. Can you go back to the info page, please? Okay. I see. All right, thank you. So you've got the admins and then you've got all the various attendees.
Attendees.
All right.
Although currently in website we are showing at info page we are only showing the description and created and for attendees there is a different section. So I was about to ask you, for attendees do I create a different section?
Uh, that might make sense. Um, as a separate tab. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah, I think that'd be good.
Okay. So the info tab, agendas tab,
And then
attendees
attendees
tab,
tab.
and volunteers.
Yes, would that fit though? With four
Yeah.
different tabs. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's see how that works.
Also, I haven't integrated creating agenda category because that's not the part for a normal user. I
Correct.
think categories can only be created for by super
Yeah.
admin in it.
Admin. That's correct. Yeah. We, yeah. We want very little admin functionality in the mobile app.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
In the website, we also have the functionality to see event statistics, as Shaker showed. So will we be adding it in the mobile as well? If
I
we add
think
it,
that
then there would be total 5 tabs.
5 tabs, but I think that should be thing only admin should be able to see like
Yeah.
how's yeah.
Yeah. I think that's more for the admin.
So
And
event admin, I guess the event admin functionality are also present in the mobile itself. So event
yeah.
admin will be able to see statistics or not.
Yeah, I think that yeah, the Yeah, we have to figure out how to do that. Yeah, now that you mention it, if they have a recurring event, they should be able to see the stats. Okay, that's it. Okay.
I mean, the whole idea for showing this chat is when the event is done, and then we are showing these chats. So, like for a single instance, if we are adding event sets field bar for that, and that event instance has already been like removed because the event is completed. So, how we are gonna show that? If I'm confused, like if I'm approaching it wrong way.
So could you repeat that, please?
What I said is like for showing the event sets,
Right.
that should be done like when we are then when the event is completed, right?
The stats.
Then we are showing the complete
Yes,
sets.
yeah.
So for the event which has only single instance, there is no meaning to
That,
show
that's
event
correct.
set
That's
such
correct. Yeah,
and all. So it should be only be implemented for recurring events.
correct.
Okay. Should I implement that in mobile sector?
Yeah, I think that would be required. We're going to have to, yeah, let's do that. And this is something that we hadn't 100% thought through, but based on the existing feature sets, yeah, we should just include that in the mobile app. That'd be useful.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll do it. That's it. That's it from my side.
All
Okay,
right.
I'm done, Peter.
All
Yeah,
right.
okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Does anybody else have any questions? No? All right. Thanks, Dante.